So today we're making the mixed media rat. This is an example of what one could look like, but these are all going to have your own personal touch on them with additional mixed media that we can add, and I'll go over what some of those options are. They can be different sizes, different shapes. They'll all come out a little bit differently. These are good for ages 3 and up, pretty much 5 and up if they're going to do it on their own. And there are a couple of steps in the process that might need a little bit of parent help or supervision. The painting process is a part that the child can do all on their own. And they're really pretty durable. They're best, put on a shelf. They can be a little breakable, so we want to be careful throughout the process. And they're great little rats. They can be also a mouse, depends on how you want to see it. But the mixed media adds a little bit of flair and color for our art project. It's also nice to experiment with what kinds of things we can add into our project to get creative, find things around the house, and we'll go over what some of those options might be.